the beach. Early morning. Mira starts the day with flair.
Let us ignite the heat of the sun and the shore of destiny. Wait, is this a picnic? Bakit parang may kasalan sa telenovela?
Yes, may swimming powers si Mira, but here!
Kapag may magic portal dito, I'm going to hide!
After setting up tents and food, Mr. Reyes calls everyone to gather.
May I request everyone, please come closer. I have important thing to spill. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it is with great honors that I stand before you today. But there is more important thing to this gathering that meets the eye. It is not simply an outing, but a momentous occasion that will change lives forever.
Para naman graduation speech to.
Today, we shall witness the joining of two souls, a wedding by the lake.
What?
Everyone's chilling on the sand, reacting to the big news.
Wow, I don't know if I should go swimming or fix my hair. Turns out, there's a wedding!
Sana pala nagdala ako ng magandang damit para hindi ako nagmumukhang lumpiang toge dito.
Chill lang kayo guys, as long as there's food, I'm good!
Yeah, tama.
True, if there's no lechon, no wedding.
Yes, that's right.
Sam and Tony walking by the shore, having a heart-to-heart conversation.
Tony, this lake is beautiful, but you know who's more beautiful?
Sino?
You.
Ikaw talaga, pero sige na nga, kinilig na ako.
Behind the tree, Jules and Kai peeking at the bride's preparation.
Look at Elle. She's serving Miss Universe.
Tapos ikaw, mapagkapalot, di ba?
Excuse me, this is high fashion design.
The wedding ceremony begins. Mr. Reyes officiates.
I never dream, cause I always thought that dreaming was forget.
Lance, do you take Elle to be your lawfully wedded wife, to cherish, love, and care for her?
Yes, Father, I do.
Elle, do you take Lance to be your lawfully wedded husband, to care for him and love him?
Yes, Father.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you.
Seriously? Where's the lechon? I've been waiting for here forever.
Let's go, girl, beside the DJ.
First time ko sa lake wedding. Kasal plus lake. Best day ever.
Next wedding, tayo na ba kaya?